mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes plus ebooks plus tests. Okay, so follow this, join and download this app and follow the classes. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the updates for JAIIB, CIB and various banking exams, and also free YouTube series on all the subjects. Right now, which you are seeing is the free YouTube series, and that is available on Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So subscribe to this, click on the bell icon immediately. These are the 2 new batches just now started. All the 4 subjects, PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management, all of them are covered. Numericals, objective questions, everything. 80% off is going on presently and double validity on Mahapacks. Use the code Y432. Never forget this code. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what is the role of, let me start one by one. Let me see how many of you do answer. What is the role of Mudra under PMMY loans? So what is the role of Mudra? Mudra means what? Mudra is a loan. PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, right? So let's see the options. Mudra is a direct lending institution and lends to small micro units entrepreneurs directly for PMMY. So Mudra is a direct lending institution. Direct lending means, does anyone who wants Mudra loan can directly go to some office in Mudra and get the loan? Is it like that? That's called as direct lending. It acts as a refinance agency and refinances to all the banks, NBFCs, MFIs for onward lending to customers under different categories of PMMY loans as per the need of the customer. And Mudra is a regulator of the bank. Okay, what is this regulator of the bank? Who is the regulator of a bank? Okay, type fast. Who is the regulator of a bank? Regulator means who is a controlling supervisor. Correct? RBI is a supervisor. Mudra is not the regulator of the bank, right? RBI. Okay, so this is wrong. C option is wrong. What about A and B? Is Mudra a direct lending institution? Direct means, do I go and, as I told you, go and take the loan from Mudra? No. So that's why A is also out. So what is the option remaining then? B. What does it mean? B means acts as a refinance agency. Means what? When the bank finances to any customer, this Mudra gives the refinance to that bank for that loan. Okay, it's like that SIDB and this mainly SIDB only. It's a soft loans concept. Okay, so it acts as a refinance agency and refinances to all the banks, NBFCs and MFIs. This is an important part. Remember, even NBFCs are allowed to give this Mudra. MFIs are allowed to give Mudra. Okay, for onward lending to customers under different categories of PMMY. Okay, so if any bank or a financial institution gives the loan, Mudra will refinance it to that bank. Okay, it's like a subsidy. The borrowers can only the difference in subsidy is the subsidy is given to the individual, but here it is given to the bank. Okay, the borrowers can avail the credit in a hassle-free and flexible manner with Mudra card, which is a. So what is this Mudra card? Mudra card, you might have seen this. You all guys have worked. Has anyone seen Mudra loan, sanctioned Mudra loan, or gone through the Mudra loan process, knows about Mudra loan? Just type yes in the comment section if you know about Mudra loan. Everyone, just type yes in the comment section. Correct? Yes, yeah. Okay, so many of us know about Mudra loan, right? So now this Mudra loan, along when I sanction a Mudra loan, I have to give a card to that customer. So that card is what? Debit card with a sanction limit? Is it a credit card? Is it an ordinary debit card? Or none of the above? So what is the correct option in this? Debit card with a sanction limit. Credit card. Is it a credit card? Mudra card? Is it a credit like that KCC Kisan credit card? That is a credit card, isn't it? So is Mudra card also a credit card? Or is it a normal debit card? Means like I give it in that any savings account. So same debit card? Correct. The option is A. Debit card with a sanctioned limit. Mudra card is a debit card with a sanctioned limit. Remember, it's not a credit card. Right? And it's not a normal debit card also. Got it? What is meant by Aadhaar seeding? Seeding means, what is this seeding? Many of you, has anyone heard about this word seeding? We follow this, but we don't know what is Aadhaar seeding. What is seeding? Linking of Aadhaar with the bank account, duplicate issuance of Aadhaar, transfer of Aadhaar, and none of the above. So, what is the correct option in this? Linking of Aadhaar with the bank account, that is seeding, or duplicate issuance. If I lose my Aadhaar card, imagine I've lost my Aadhaar card, so duplicate issuance of Aadhaar card. Is this this seeding? Transfer of Aadhaar means what? What is transfer of Aadhaar? I'll transfer my Aadhaar card to somebody? No, address transfer. Okay, transfer of Aadhaar means address transfer. Okay, so which is the correct answer in this? What is meant by Aadhaar seeding? Aadhaar seeding means A, linking of Aadhaar card with the bank account. That is known as Aadhaar seeding. Remember this. Okay, seeding means linking it to the bank account. Okay, bank is a dash of modern commerce and trade. What is bank? Means modern commerce and trade means all business you can consider. Full business in modern in today's India is what? Backbone. So bank is a backbone or bank is a blood or both A and B. Means it's a backbone also and a blood also of the modern commerce and trade. Okay, or none of this. Obviously none of this is out because bank is a major player in this commerce and trade business today, isn't it? All the payments are mainly done through banking only, right? So what is bank? Backbone also and blood also, right? So C is the correct answer. Bank is both backbone and blood of the modern commerce and trade. Okay, before going ahead, I was talking about this batch just now started. Okay, just 1 or 2 days have just passed. Okay, join these batches ASAP. PPB, IEFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management, all the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. 80% off is going on. I'll show you at the end how to get the discount. Double validity on Mahapacks is going on. Okay, use the code Y432. Never forget this code. Okay, which of the following is not an advantage of retail banking? So what is not? Here we want not an advantage. Okay, loyalty. Are the customers loyal in retail banking? Less fluctuation demand means, is the demand very fluctuating in retail banking? Sometimes the sale of my savings accounts or of my insurance, not insurance actually, let's call it saving and current. Sometimes the sale of my saving current account is 10 lakhs this year. Next year it is 2 lakhs. Next year it is 20 lakhs. Does it happen like that? Risk is spread and risk is more. So which is not the advantage? We want not advantage. Okay, so let's write the advantage which is the advantage. Let's write that A, and which is not the advantage, let's write that N. So let's start writing over here. Are the customers loyal in retail banking? Have you seen many customers shifting their banks? Correct. So that is advantage A. People don't shift their banks in retail banking. Okay. Less fluctuation in demand, that is also true, because if 1 year my home loan sale is, let's say, 10 lakhs, next year it will be around 10.5 lakhs or 11 lakhs. Okay, or 9.5 lakhs. So less fluctuation in demand. So that is also an advantage. A. Risk is spread, means the loan is given to many customers, right? So what do you mean by spreading of risk here? In corporate banking, okay, if I want to give 1 crore loan, 1 crore, I'll just catch one customer, one big customer, and give him the loan. Okay. But in the retail banking, what is the scene? In retail, if I have to give 1 crore, okay, I'll have to catch how many customers? Around 1000 customers, isn't it? Or 100 customers. Let's say 100 customers of 1 lakh. 100 customers of 1 lakh. So what does it mean? Do you think one customer can become NPA faster, or these 100 customers can become NPA faster? Obviously, isn't it? Who can become faster NPA? One customer or 100 customers? One customer, right? Because 100 customers can't become NPA at one time. So that's why retail banking risk is spread. So that is again an advantage. risk is more. So that is not an advantage, because that is not a feature of retail banking. In retail banking, risk is always lesser, it's spread. That's why this is D is the correct answer. We want not the advantage, okay? Which of the following institutions is not a bank? So who's not a bank? Bank of Baroda, Muthoot Finance, Equitas Small Finance Bank, and HDFC Bank. Which of them is not a bank? Okay. Many of us feel that Equitas is a small finance bank, so it's a bank basically, right? So it's a Muthoot Finance, it's an NBFC. Okay, it's an NBFC, so it's not a bank. Okay. Which of the following targets to individual segment? Who targets individual segment? Retail banking, wholesale banking, corporate banking, both B and C, wholesale and corporate banking together. Who targets individual customers? Individual is targeted in which segment? Retail, wholesale, corporate, or B and C? It is. What is wholesale banking? Wholesale and corporate banking means targeting the companies. Okay. So when I target the companies, okay, this is targeting the companies and this is targeting the individuals. Okay. So this is basically the answer is retail banking. Retail banking, I target the individual segment. Which of the following is not a retail bank? Not a retail bank. BOB means Bank of Baroda, RBI Reserve Bank, Bank of India, C, and A and C, Bank of Baroda and Bank of India. We want not, okay, not a retail bank. This is an important part. So Bank of Baroda is a retail bank? Yes, R. RBI is a retail bank? No, it is the banker of the banks, right? Do you have an account with RBI? Anyone? Does anyone have an account with RBI? No, you can't have an account with RBI. Only banks can have accounts with RBI. Presently. In future, we don't know. In future, if the CBDC comes, RBI can come up with the banking also, loaning also directly. Okay, that is possible. But presently, it's not possible. Okay. So RBI is not a retail bank. Bank of India is a retail bank. Okay, that's okay. R. What kind of services are available in BSBDA? What is BSBDA? Basic Savings Banking Deposit Account. Right? We call it what? No frills. No frills. Okay, no frills. Then there are various names. Jandhan accounts. Right? Jandhan, no frills. Everything is same. BSBDA. Okay. So what are the basic features in this? Receipt credit of money through NEFT RTGS. Is it allowed? If I have a Jandhan account, can the money come through NEFT RTGS or any online mode? No annual maintenance charges on ATM cum debit card. Is there any charge on ATM cum debit card in no frills account or BSBD? Right? 4 withdrawals in a month, including ATM withdrawals. So is this also the case? Or all of the above? What is the correct answer in this? In BSBD, all of them are true. Money can be received through NEFT RTGS, no annual maintenance on the cards, 4 withdrawals per month. So all of them are true. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. Okay. One for your homework now. What is the minimum deposit required while opening a BSBD account? Minimum deposit 100 rupees. No minimum deposit required. 1000 rupees or 500 rupees. Now this is what you'll have to check in your bank. Okay. Check it and answer it. If you know it, you can directly type the answer right now also. I'll answer this tomorrow. Okay. So before going, I'll tell you how to use this code Y432. Okay. Let's go to Adda 24/7 live. I would suggest if you're having the app, go on the app. Why? Because in the app you are getting 1% extra. Okay. So if you are having the app, go for the app. I would always suggest. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to this Adda 24/7. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Once you click on JAIIB and CIB, you'll see the JAIIB CIB Mahapack, CIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. You'll see the batches over here. In the batches, click on first batch English. Okay, just now started. 1 day has passed. 2 days or holidays in between. Okay. So Click on this batch, you will see the details of the batch. What are the timings, what are the dates, then what all are the study plans, okay? And let's talk about the fees also. Recorded videos are available, by the way, 24/7, two-way interactive classes, right? So it means what? You can ask the questions there and then itself. Ebooks are available, tests are available, okay? So look at the fees, 19,999. Click on view offers, put the code Y432, click on apply. Now look at this, 19,999 reduces to 3,999.80. 80% off you are getting, 80% off. Such a huge discount you are getting. Go for it immediately. I would also suggest go for Mahapacks. I told you what is Mahapack. Mahapack means 15 plus batches. Let me show you Mahapack live, okay? In Mahapack, what do you see is, see this. Go to Adda 24/7 again. Click on JAIIB CIB Mahapack, okay? Once you click on this Mahapack, you will see this. See, JAIIB ka Mahapack, JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Click on JAIIB CIB Mahapack. I'll tell you why. Because in JAIIB CIB Mahapack, you get the Mahapack for both JAIIB and CIB. If you clear JAIIB in May 23, the validity of this Mahapack in discount offer is 24 months right now. Okay, you'll see the details over here. See this, 15 plus batches for JAIIB, all the 4, 15 plus batches for CIB, all the 4. So this is the huge thing you're getting. Okay, let me show you the validity. Of course, recorded videos are available everywhere. Okay, 53,996. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Never forget this code. Click on apply. Look at this. 53,996 reduces to 10,799. Such a huge discount you are getting. 80% off you are getting. My God, 80% off. And that also Mahapack. And look at the validity. 24 months. So divide this 10,799 by 24 months. How much is the amount? It's less than what? 550 per month. So it's less than 20 rupees per day. Right? This is an investment for lifetime. Go for it right now. Okay? Why am I stressing on the batches? Because look at this. The portion for JAIIB and CIB has changed. Okay? For CIB, if you look at it, look at the portion. All the new subjects, okay? Say this, ABM BFM was there earlier, but the portion of ABM BFM has also changed. Remember, new subjects ABFM and BRBL have been introduced. Electives, rural, HR, IT, central banking, risk. There is no retail elective. Negative marking has been removed. That's a good sign for you. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, but subjective questions are there. You'll have to answer certain questions. That's why I'm saying join the classes. You'll be needing these classes. Okay.